If you want to change the background color in Photoshop, the good news is that there are a couple of super easy ways to do it depending on what you're working on. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best method for layered designs and also show you how to set a background color when you're starting a brand new file. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photoshop tips, beginner guides, and time-saving editing tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the best option if you already have a subject cutout, logo, product image, or any kind of composition where you want full flexibility. For this, you'll use a solid color fill layer. This is one of the best non-destructive methods in Photoshop because you can change the background color anytime without starting over. On the right side of your screen, go to the Layers panel. If you don't see it, you can open it from the window menu and make sure Layers is turned on. At the bottom of the Layers panel, look for the icon that looks like a circle split diagonally in half. This is the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer button. Click that icon and a menu will appear. From that menu, select Solid Color. It's usually right near the top of the list. As soon as you click it, Photoshop will open the color picker window. Now you can choose any color you want. You can drag the selector around, enter exact color values, or pick from a brand color if you already have one in mind. Once you're happy with the color, click OK. Photoshop will create a new color fill layer in your Layers panel. At first, this layer may appear above your artwork, which means it could temporarily cover everything on your canvas. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Just click and drag the color fill layer downward until it sits directly underneath your main subject layer or artwork layer. Once it's in the correct position, your chosen color will instantly appear as the background. This method is perfect if you want to keep the design editable. For example, if you later decide that white doesn't look right and you want a soft gray, blue, or even a bold brand color, you can simply double-click the color thumbnail on the fill layer and change it in seconds. That's why this is the best choice for layouts, product mockups, social media graphics, and any project where you may need to make quick adjustments later. Now let's go over the second method, which is useful if you are creating a project from scratch and want to set the background color before you even begin editing. This is especially helpful when you're opening a new document in Photoshop. To do that, press Ctrl+N on Windows or Command+N on Mac. This opens the new document window. From here, you can choose your canvas size, resolution, and other document settings. On the right-hand side, under Preset Details, look for the Background Contents option. Click the drop-down menu and you'll see a few simple choices. You can select white, black, or transparent depending on the kind of project you want to make. If you're designing a clean layout, white is usually the safest option. If you want a dark canvas to work on, black can be useful. And if you're planning to place objects on top of a transparent background, choose transparent. If you want a custom color instead of the basic background choices, there's another simple trick. Look for the small square swatch next to the drop-down menu and click it. That will open the color picker where you can select a specific background color before you even create the document. This is great if you already know exactly what color you want and want to save time later. Once you've selected your background preference, click Create, and Photoshop will open the new file with the background setup already in place. This is a quick and easy way to start with the right canvas color from the beginning. So to recap, if you already have a design or a subject cut out, use a solid color fill layer underneath your artwork for a flexible and editable background. If you're starting a new file, set the background contents in the new document window or pick a custom color before creating the canvas. Both methods are simple, beginner-friendly, and extremely useful once you get used to them. If this video helped you learn how to change background color in Photoshop, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Photoshop tutorials and creative editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.